Hello, gardeners. Okay, we've got our 3 beds made. And now what we're going to do is just in the middle of the beds, we're going to make, let's see those 2 footprints. We're going to add our pre-plant mix, and we're going to do that right now. We're going to mix it together and then put it in. And the way you figure out your pre-plant mix is, I'll come over here and you can see, we need 80 parts, not percent, 80 parts gypsum to 4 parts Epsom salt to 1 part borax, or boron, but we're using borax because it's easy to find boron in the grocery store if you get it in the form of borax. So anyway, these 2 are not very expensive. This one's not too cheap, but it's not so bad. So we're going to go ahead. We already have, real quick, for your own garden it's going to be different. But for my garden, I figured I've got 3 rows. 2 of them are 6.5 feet. One of them's 8.5 feet. So I've got about 21.5 feet of gardening space, and I need 1 tablespoon of this mix per foot. So, with all my calculations and stuff, I don't want to bore you with that, but here is my recipe here for my pre-plant mix. It's 3 1/4 cups gypsum to 4 teaspoons Epsom and 1 teaspoon boron. So, we're going to go ahead and add our 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 teaspoon of our borax. And I actually didn't get quite a teaspoon in there. I'm going to add that. And I've heard that you can't add too much of this, or not this, but too much of the pre-plant mix to your soil. So you're just going to mix it up. And we're going to come over here and show you how to add it in there. Because you're not going to add it to your whole garden. That would be a waste of this, because there aren't going to be plants planted all over the place. They're only going to be planted in certain places of your garden. So, since it's 1 tablespoon per foot, I'm going to grab my tablespoon. And these are actually my daughter's. I thought color would be good for the video. So, it's not mixed all that well. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so what we're going to do is actually, I should probably just add, since we have about 7 feet, I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So this is for 1 row. And we'll just do 1 row on the video. So I'm going to do this one with the footprints. And I'm just going to sprinkle, down low if it's windy. Ah, crud. I kind of wasted it in the first part, but that's okay. Can take a little over here, and anyway, that's good. And then I'm going to take my rake or my shovel or whatever I've got, probably my shovel actually, because we want this to get kind of deep where the roots are going to be. So I'm going over here to grab my stuff, and I'm going to put this down on top of my sandbag that broke. Okay. So what you're going to